Welcome to Don Leisure Kingdom. My name's Richard and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Auto Trail 675B 2024 in matte grey. Okay, I'll take you around the outside first and then we'll go on the insides then. So as you can see, it's got these lovely black alloy wheels and in matte grey, as we said. It's on the 2 litre 165 brake automatic gearbox Ford. We'll take you in on the inside. So it's got power windows there, and this is your electric hookup with your gas bottles. Obviously there's no gas bottles in here, but I'll just show you. Just get the keys, get it open. Take me a second. So your gas lock here, as you can see, it takes 2 gas bottles, so you'll never end up running out. And obviously got your water fill on here. So we have got 2 entry points to the rear lockers, one slightly bigger than the other. So as you can see, you get plenty of storage in there, and I don't know if you can see from here, you can actually get from inside the vehicle as well. So on a rainy day you don't have to go outside. On the rear of the vehicle, it's pre-drilled for a bike rack, and it also has got a colour reverse camera as well. This has also got the Lux pack and driver's pack as well. So a lot of that, I'll go through what it includes. On the roof, there's stuff that you can't see. It has a solar panel and a television aerial. That's your toilet cassette here. And part of one of the packs I was talking about there, it has a gas barbecue point. Okay, so obviously onto your habitation door, you've got your bin, blackout blinds, and you also have a fly screen on them nice sunny days. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, this is an actual 2-berth motorhome, but it's for travelling. So as you can see, it's got this lovely lounge dinette up here, which you make into your double bed, and it has your 2 travelling seats there. This little bit just comes away so they can sit comfortably. So I'll just take it to seat in the driver's seat for 1 second. So as you can see, I know we've already mentioned it, it's the 2 litre 165 brake automatic Ford gearbox. So in here you have your satellite navigation, reverse camera, and DAB radio, etc. On your steering wheel you've got your controls for the volume as well. Automatic gearbox, cab air conditioning as well. Okay, if you look above, Wendy, you have your skylight there, which they are blinds, and sorry, you do have cab blinds on the front windows. If I can break my arm, they come together, and they're also on your driver's side and passenger side as well. Obviously the seats swivel around, so above here you have plenty of locker space, as you can see. Lovely LED lights for making it brighter, and again on all of the windows and surround, blackouts and fly screen as well, and one large locker on this side as well. Behind Wendy, you can see you've got your control panel for your lights, etc., and how it all works. And you're on the whale heating system here. You wave past it there to turn it on as such. I've already mentioned you've got a television aerial on the roof, and this is where your television would go. As you can see, you've got your television aerial here and the power sockets. Lights there, lovely LED lighting. Onto the kitchen. Wow, very, very modern. Here is your sink. Obviously you've got a cover on there which helps to extend chopping. You have your 3-burner hob and your combination oven and grill there. Plenty of storage space below.
It's a deep drawer, isn't it?
Yeah, deep drawer, and more chopping space there. Just put my 2 hands there to get that down, and then underneath as well. flick that out.
Because it's new.
Yeah, it's new, just flick that out. So you're wondering where your table goes. You've got a freestanding table inside there,
Yeah.
which obviously you can use inside and outside. And you have this lovely large fridge freezer. Look at that, plenty of room in there for your beer, wine and milk. And plenty of freezer space for your fish fingers.
Fabulous.
Okay, above the cooker as well, you have got your Russell Hobbs microwave.
Yeah.
And I'm going to let Wendy go into the toilet area. So this is a lovely short vehicle that you can drive on a normal car licence, but look at the actual size of the toilet.
Yeah.
So the washroom there, you've got your sink,
There's so much
storage space above the locker. So that wardrobe is above the locker space that we looked at when we was walking around the vehicle. And if Wendy can open the bottom locker, that is the access that we was talking about when you was into the garage space. If you wanted, so if it's a rainy day and you wanted to nip through and grab something out of there, and we have got some hanging space.
It's vast, isn't it?
And there.
Gosh.
On the other side of the vehicle, we have got your shower.
Yeah.
So Wendy is going through all the shower base there. So
Yeah.
just to round things off, this is a lovely short vehicle. It can be driven on a normal car licence. It's a 2024. It's a 2 litre 165 brake horsepower Ford engine. Come on down and see it. It's in our showroom. It's lovely and warm.